If you've ever wanted the convenience of an air fryer but found yourself constantly running out of cooking space, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. Small basket air fryers are great for snacks, but when it's time to cook for a family, things can get frustrating fast. That's where the Gourmia Air Fryer 14-quart all-in-one rotisserie oven comes in. It promises the crispy results people love from air frying while giving you enough room to cook larger meals without juggling multiple batches. The Gourmia 14-quart air fryer oven is designed for families, busy households, and anyone who wants one appliance that can handle multiple cooking tasks. Instead of cluttering your kitchen with separate appliances for roasting, baking, dehydrating, and air frying, this model combines all those functions into a single countertop unit. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. One of the first things you'll notice is the stainless steel design. It gives the appliance a modern, premium look that blends nicely into most kitchens. The large front viewing window makes it easy to check on food without opening the door and releasing heat. The digital display is bright, easy to read, and simple enough for beginners to navigate. The overall build feels sturdy and well-made, and the door opens and closes with a reassuring solid feel. Nothing about it feels cheap or flimsy, which is important for an appliance you'll likely use several times a week. What really stands out is how practical the design is in everyday use. The 14-quart capacity provides enough room for larger meals, including whole chickens on the included rotisserie spit. If you've ever struggled to cook enough food in a standard basket air fryer, the extra space here feels like a major upgrade. The included racks and accessories make it easy to prepare different foods without feeling limited by the cooking area. In terms of performance, the Gourmia delivers exactly what most people want from an air fryer: crispy food with less oil and less mess. Thanks to its FryForce 360-degree air circulation system, heat moves evenly around the food, helping fries, chicken wings, vegetables, and frozen snacks cook consistently. Foods develop a satisfying crisp texture while remaining tender inside. The cooking process is straightforward, and the 12 one-touch presets remove much of the guesswork for beginners. The rotisserie function is another highlight. Watching a whole chicken slowly rotate while cooking evenly feels surprisingly satisfying, and the results are often better than what many people expect from a countertop appliance. The roasting and baking functions also perform well for everyday meals, making this more than just an oversized air fryer. Noise levels remain reasonable during operation. It's noticeable, but not disruptive, and certainly quieter than many kitchen appliances. Cleanup is also one of the strongest parts of the experience. The removable accessories are dishwasher-safe, which saves time after cooking and makes regular use much more appealing. For busy families, that convenience matters almost as much as cooking performance itself. Of course, no product is perfect. While the larger capacity is a huge advantage, it also means the appliance takes up more counter space than compact air fryers. If your kitchen is very small, you'll need to plan where it will sit. There's also a slight learning curve when using multiple functions for the first time, although most users adjust quickly after a few cooking sessions. Compared with similarly priced air fryer ovens from brands like Instant Pot, Chef Man, and Cuisinart, the Gourmia stands out because of its combination of capacity, rotisserie functionality, and ease of cleaning. Some competitors may offer slightly more advanced features, but Gourmia delivers a strong balance between performance, versatility, and overall value. At the end of the day, the Gourmia Air Fryer 14-quart all-in-one rotisserie oven is best suited for families, meal preppers, and anyone who wants a versatile cooking appliance that can replace several kitchen gadgets. If you're mainly cooking for one person and have limited counter space, a smaller air fryer may be a better fit. But for larger households, this model offers impressive flexibility and convenience. If you found this review helpful, consider giving the video a like and subscribing for more honest product reviews. And if you're interested in making family meals easier while reducing cooking time and cleanup, check out the link in the description for the latest pricing and availability before any promotions change.